This is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. I wanted to show you how I go into the code editor. So if you're in your WordPress, all you have to do to go into the code is click on the three dots and go to code editor. And you can see this span style. It's a very old format before block. So I'm going to go in and take out a lot of that old coding so it doesn't have as doesn't take up as much space and your site can run faster. So I've had to do this for over a good 600 posts on the site because the last 100 I've really been using the block editor now. So you go in and you just get rid of all that extra coding. It'll make your site lighter and it would increase the speed as well. And as you can see, I had quite a bit of them here on this particular one. So you can go through and check all of that out. And then it gets tricky here when you have the links in there too, because you have more coding than you can imagine. And then you just exit the code editor and you can take a look and make sure nothing was like this right here. Instead of attempt block recovery, I hit resolve. And you can see there was one piece missing on the code. And that happens from time to time. So those are the things that I like to check. And I can tell these are all wrong here. Now I can go in and do it this way. Again, the three dots, edit as HTML. And I can see why it looked funky because of the old codes in there. But again, I will go through the entire post. You can go edit visually and you can see that looks more like a header. That's a header versus what that looks like. Sometimes you can see it in the block format, but most of the time you cannot. So it's the three dots and the code editor. And I'm going to continue along, but I wanted to show you what happens on the back end, how to improve your blog or website with the block feature and with the old, as you can see right here, with the old coding. And this was originally done in 2021. So that's the beauty of it. Now, if you're just doing general changes, when you're done, I would hit the save button. If you're doing a lot of changes to the content, I would go in under, let's see, we go in under post, and I would change the date, and then I would hit save. That's if you're doing a lot of changes to it, not just the coding part. But if you're changing the content, changing the links, or changing the images, really almost redoing the post, that's when you do the date. I hope you found this helpful and have a great day.